Russian hacker gang Evil Corp, what a name, by the way. Just get right to it.
Oh.
May be behind days-long Garmin outage. I was curious to ask Kirk about this because he has the Garmin fitness thing going on. He's not here yet, but essentially the way this breaks down, there was some sort of an outage that took place, and people started to speculate what the reasoning might be. And Garmin doesn't make any official statement on it, but then this group claims to be the ones causing the outage and wanting some sort of a ransom payment in order to alleviate, to give the data back or to have things operate again properly, essentially. Now, this group has apparently been behind some pretty high-profile hacks. The attackers reportedly crippled the smartwatch maker's Garmin Connect service last week with malicious software. Evil Corp runs the Wasted Locker ransomware responsible for the Garmin outage, which encrypts the target's files and demands a ransom to unlock them. Hackers have sought as much as $10 million to release the affected data. But apparently there's a way around it. You just have to have the data backed up, and then I don't know exactly what steps are necessary and whether or not how compromised the individuals happen to be. U.S. officials accused Evil Corp in December of targeting banks and financial institutions in more than 40 countries and stealing more than $100 million with its Drydex malware. So this is not your typical, your regular run-of-the-mill curious individual hacker. It appears maybe it is. I don't know how big the team is, but either way, the enterprise, if it's true that they've accumulated more than $100 million, that's a heck of an enterprise. Apparently, this individual also famously rolls around in some sort of a customized Lamborghini. So maybe it's not $100 million, but it's definitely a few bucks that they figured out over the years.
Is this wedding affiliated with this hacker here?
Oh, that's his wedding?
I'm not too sure.
Footage shows extravagant wedding of Russian super hacker. They posted it here in this article, I would guess. Does it show him? If it shows him, we'll know for sure. It's a heck of a wedding.
It's not going to show him, right?
Well, why not? I think his
Doesn't he want to be anonymous?
But his picture's all over the thing. So I think it's well known who he is. Well, let's see. Roll the clip a little bit longer. Maybe you're right. Maybe it doesn't actually show him at any moment. It shows the back of his head only. Well, to be fair, the whole thing is sort of shot from far away.
Right.
But it looked like a bit of a wedding, probably cost a few bucks. Kansas-based Garmin has yet to publicly confirm the cause of its outage, but by early Monday, the company had fully or partially restored all features of its Garmin Connect platform. And so they seem like they're coming back without paying anybody any money. Either that or they paid the money quietly.
Yeah. Some hush-hush.
We'll ask Kirk what he experienced when he gets in, but either way, that's some big level, high level stuff going on there.